Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who has problems with a Kia Carens 2000 CRDI, 115 horsepower, and the problem it has, that this problem does not only appear in this engine, you can find it in many other engines and in other vehicles as well, Mercedes, BMW, etc. The problem you have is that the engine works fine while idling, but when you ask for effort, the engine turns off. That is, when you accelerate, it turns off. Then the engine turns back on and it works well again. Of course, until he accelerates again and the engine turns off again, he put it into the diagnosis machine, and the error P1188 came out. This code indicates a leak in the fuel system, a leak detected by the ECU through the fuel pressure sensor. And what can cause this problem? This problem can be caused by the pressure sensor itself, but it can also be caused by a fuel leak and also by an obstruction in the fuel system. In this case, it would be necessary to look at where the obstruction may be, if there is one, or if there is a leak. If it were an obstruction, you would have to look at the diesel filter, the diesel circuit as well, and then even the gauge that you have in the car's fuel tank, that also has a filter, and many times it also gets clogged there. As I say, we would have to look at all of that to see where the problem comes from. In many cases, we tend to change the sensor, and sometimes it is the sensor that fails, but on other occasions, it is either a leak or an obstruction. I always tell you that before changing parts, it is advisable to check them. It is advisable to check that the problem does not come from somewhere else. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.